Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 5, chapter number 6, Statistics. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 6.2, page number 145. Question number 3. The following data shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds on Mumbai-Pune Express Highway. Find the median of the data. Okay. Now here frequency distribution table is given. Average speed, number of vehicles. So average speed, this is a classes given 60, 64, 64, 69, 70, 74, 75, 79, 79, 84, 84, 89. And number of vehicles, that is frequency 10, 34, 55, 85, 10, 6. Now try to understand solution. This is different type of examples. That means if you observe the classes, the some classes are continuous and some are not continuous, that is discontinuous. So for an example, 60 64 and 64 69, these two are continuous, but here 70 74, actually it should be 69 but it is 70 74, and here also on 74 75 is here. So these classes are not continuous, so you have to make this class continuous. Okay, or what, make extended classes. Okay, now in this case first you find median class, and for that class you make that class extended or what, continuous. Okay, not all classes you make. So try to understand solution. I will give you explanation. Now first you prepare your table, write down classes, class, average speed 60, 64, 64, 69, 70, 74, 75, 79, 79, 84, 84 to 89. Now here frequencies are given. So to find median, first you find cumulative frequency less than. So this first frequency you write down as it is. So this is 10. Then 10 plus 34 is equal to 44. 44 plus 55 is equal to 99. 99 plus 85 is equal to 184. 184 plus 10 is equal to 194, and 194 plus 6 is equal to 200. So this figure gives you n. So that is total number of what, frequencies. So n here, n is equal to 200, and therefore n upon 2 is equal to 100, and by means of n upon 2 you find median class. So here the n upon 2 is equal to 100, and this 100 lies between 99 and 184, and therefore this class is median class. Now therefore class interval is this 75 79. Okay, now then you try to understand. Now n is equal to 200, n upon 2 is equal to 100, and therefore median class is 75 79, but this class is discontinuous, and therefore make this class continuous by subtracting 0.5 from what, lower limit, that is 75 minus 0.5 gives you 74.5, and here in upper limit you add 0.5, and that is equal to 79.5. So now these are what, extended class, and therefore your L is equal to lower limit, L is equal to 74.5, H is equal to difference between these two, so that is equal to 5, and therefore CF means cumulative frequency is the frequency of what preceding class of what median class. So this is what your median class, and therefore your CF is equal to 99 and F is equal to the frequency of median class, that is 85. Okay, and now then you write your formula and substitute known values. So median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H, and therefore 74.5 plus 100 minus 99 upon 85 into 5. If you simplify this, you will get 74.5 plus 1 upon 17 and is equal to 74.5 plus 0.08558 is equal to 74.558, and approximately it is 75, means this is a round figure. Okay, and therefore the median of average speed of vehicles is 74.558 or 75 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this example is very important. Now then you try to understand next example. Example number 4. The production of electric bulb in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the production. And now here the frequency distribution table is given. Number of bulbs in what thousand, number of what factories. So 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100. So if you observe, classes are continuous given. So this is the first step. Remember, first what you observe on your classes. If it is continuous, then no problem. If it is discontinuous, then make it what continuous. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Now first you prepare your table. Classes, number of bulbs 1000 in 1000, that is X. Frequency F. Now here frequencies are given. Cumulative, to find what median, first you find cumulative frequency less than. So first frequency you write down as it is. Then 12 plus 35 is equal to 47. 47 plus 20 is equal to 67. 67 plus 15 is equal to 82. 82 plus 8 is equal to 90. 90 plus 7 is equal to 97. And 97 plus 8 is equal to 105. So here n is equal to 105. N is equal to 105, find n upon 2, and n upon 2 is equal to 105 upon 2, that is equal to 52.5, and therefore median class is, now 52.5 lies between 47 and 67, and therefore this is your median class. Okay, and therefore now the what lower limit is 50 and L is equal to 50, and difference between these two is equal to 10. So H is equal to 10, F is equal to 20, and CF is equal to 47, and then use your formula to find median. So median class is equal to 50/60, and therefore L is equal to 50, H is equal to 10, CF is equal to 47, F is equal to 20. Now median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H, and therefore 50 plus 52.5 minus 47 upon 20 into 10. So 50 plus 5.5 upon 20 into 10, simplify this, you will get 50 plus 5.5 upon 2 and is equal to 50 plus 2.75, and therefore 50 plus 2.75 is equal to 52.75, and therefore median of the production is 52.75 into 1000, because the work what in the class it is given, classes are what in thousand. So 52 into 75 is into 52.75 into 1000 is equal to 52,750 bulbs. So this is a production of bulb and this is a median of production. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.